Hey guys, welcome to Carnivore Expeditions. We're in Jackson County, Alabama this weekend, and we just found a cave that we've been wanting to do. And the reason we had such a hard time finding this cave is because the area has been hit by a tornado. You can probably see all of this debris behind me. There's just all kinds of stumps and logs and so forth that have been knocked over from tornado damage. But we did find the cave. It has about a short 40-foot entrance pit, and it's supposed to be really decorated. So I'm about to jump on rope, rappel down, and check it out. Okay, here's the tree that we rigged to. This is our 11mm PMI pit rope, and we got a rope pad here. This rope is very squeaky because it's dirty. Woo! Off rope! Okay guys, we have rappelled into this cave, and you may be able to see a person on rope up there, but it's about a 20-foot drop. And this is a small cave. I'm going to spin the camera around, but man, it is just a gorgeous cave. I mean, there are formations everywhere. It may not be a big cave, but man, you get a lot of bang for your buck in here. I mean, there are just formations everywhere. And this cave is only about the size of a small house. So this is not a big cave, but it's just quality in a short amount of space. Okay, there goes Monaco up the rope, and she is making it look easy because this is about her, I think it's her 30,151st cave, so she's doing great, getting close to the top. It's bright out here.
Yeah. Camera on.
All right, I'm off rope.
Okay.
We made it out of the cave safely, and we're about to head down the mountain. We'll see you next time.